Today, we're going to show how to replace cylinders on a CleanTech hand washing station. Tools needed is a 3/8 inch nut driver. Unplug your Meritech system and remove the solution door. Take your nut driver and loosen the nuts at the top and left and right hand side of the system. Remove the top cover. Remove the drive belts from the motor pulley and cylinder. To remove the cylinder, pull up and out. To replace the cylinder, make sure the cylinder peg is lined up with the cylinder bearing at the bottom of the system. Once lined up, push down to insert. Replace the drive belts to the motor pulley and the cylinders. Replace the top cover. Take your nut driver and tighten the nuts at the top of the system. Replace the solution door and plug in your Meritech system. If you need any more help, please contact us.